Thank you for requesting Hoopla. I find the dance very addictive and a lot of fun. It was made by Karaleighcannella, and I'm going to take my time to teach it to you. If you're having struggles learning a dance, remembering the steps, take your time. Being frustrated is very normal. I get frustrated myself too when I learn a dance. I consider myself sometimes a slow learner, but it's just normal. I just accept that sometimes I just get frustrated, but it is a common thing, all right? So don't worry about it. Take your time learning the steps. If it doesn't work today, do it tomorrow, all right? So subscribe to my channel. If you think that I'm helping you out, watch the whole video because that helps my channel out big time, and hit that like button, all right? So let's get started. So we start out with our hands up and you go like woo. It's like a high pitch woo, all right? So with your hands you go up, woo, and then you're going to hit that whoa. So we've done the whoa a lot of times. If you're familiar with my channel, I'm going to explain it very slow. Normally the whoa is a bit different, but this is like the TikTok whoa, all right? So we're going to do this exercise. Your shoulder is gonna go to the front and back. So you're going to pull it back. Yeah. While you pull it back, you're going to also pull with your arm. So let's practice this move. Pull, pull. So at the same time as your shoulder goes to the front, your hand is going to go up, pull. Yeah. So let's do this a couple of times. So this doesn't exactly look like it, but as soon as we pull it a little bit harder, that's when you're going to get that whoa effect. Yeah. Boom. And it's like a glitch effect. So you want to stop and stop, stop. So let's do that a couple of times, yeah? So we're gonna go and click, and click, and click, and click. Yeah, so when you have woo, boom, yeah, so there's a stop. So what do? I tension my muscles, yeah? So I pull it back, so this is like very soft, and then you click, so you stop it, yeah? You freeze your muscles very hard, yeah? Boom. So when you have boom, clap, yeah? So you have woo, boom, and clap. Woo, boom, and clap. And that clap, you want to kind of freeze it. So you have woo, boom, and clap. And when I do this, you can see my body keeps moving. So it's not just that, but it's woo, boom, and clap. All right? So when you have that clap, you're going to rub your hands, yeah? And while you rub it, you're going to move your hips to the right, yeah? So you have a clap and rub your hands, yeah? So you have woo, boom, clap, rub your hands, yeah? So you have rub your hands, and then you're going to pop your right shoulder to the front, yeah? Pop, shimmy. So this shimmy is your shoulders going to the front, yeah? I can show you. Just shake your shoulders. Shake, shake. Right, left, right. Shake and shake, yeah? Bam, bam, bam. Do-do-doom, because you hear it in the music. Do-do-doom. Yeah, so boom, boom, boom. So you have pop, boom, boom, boom. So you have one, and then you have pop, pop, pam. Like a 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So we have woo, boom, clap. Wipe your hands. Ka, do-do-do. Yeah? So when you have that, wipe your hands. So on the hands, I do this, yeah? Wipe your hands. And this is very quick. And then your shoulder, and then you ka-ka-ka. Yeah? I'm gonna count it in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Boom. Ka. Wipe your hands. Ka. Ba-ba-bam. Yeah? Ba-ba-bam. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo, boom, ka. Wipe your hands. Ka, ba, ba, bam. And then you're going to get into this, how do you call this? Like a swerve, a swing, yeah? So you swing to the right, left, right. So your hands are gonna go right, left, right. Right, left, right. And to do this easier, bend your knees. Do not do this with straight legs, yeah? Bend your knees, here, here. And you're allowed to move your legs to make it more, to give it more space to move, yeah? Or else you're just gonna stay here, which is fine too. But definitely bend your knees, because that's going to help you do this. And you're going to take your hips to the right, take your hips to the left, take your hips to the right. Yeah? So you have wipe, wipe, wipe. All right? So when we have woo, boom, clap, wipe your hands. Ka, di-di-do, boom, boom, boom. And as you can see, if I would do everything very with a wide stance, eventually with this, it's easier to do it with your closed legs, all right? So I would suggest starting with your legs beneath your shoulders, yeah? Not too wide, all right? So we've done this, boom, 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 and then we're going to have this wave with throwing a basketball, right? So most people do a sloppy wave. I'm just going to teach you how to wave properly, all right? So this is a quick exercise that you can do as much as you can. So let's say you have your wrist, yeah? It goes up. Then you have your elbow going up. Then you have your shoulder going up. Then your other shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, and your hand, yeah? So each time there's something that goes up. So I'm going to show it like this, all right? So you can mirror me. So you have your wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and your hand. And what you want to do is connect all these parts together. So you might be struggling now because this part is the weirdest part. So let's say you have your wrist, right? While your wrist is up, pretty much your shoulder is not up, yeah? So, or nothing else. So you have your wrist, then you have your elbow. This part is the struggle because your shoulder is wants to do this, yeah? Try to keep it down. If it happens, it's not bad, but take your time practicing this. So your shoulder is down, and then your shoulder goes up, but your elbow goes down, yeah? And then your other goes up, shoulder goes down, as you can see, and then your wrist, and then your hand. Practice this just step by step. Chop it up, because a wave is just everything combined after one another, yeah? So when they do it sloppy, they just do something like this. But if you want to get it correct, you're going to get kiki-cube, wop. So it's going to be very clean, yeah? So take your time practicing those steps. Just doing that daily, every day, yeah? Practice it. All right, so what's going to happen? For now, it can be sloppy, but now you know what you have to do, right? So when we have had whoop, 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 you're going to start here with your wrist, click, 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 and then you're going to get into the other one, click, click, and you're going to throw like you're throwing a basketball. Yeah, and you're going to hold it for a little second, click, until we're gonna get another whoa. Yes? So when we've had ba, 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 shoot, 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 click. All right? So bring it to the left, bring it to the, yeah? Because it would be nice if you could just like really wave it into that. That's how you're going to get that little quality of, movement. All right, so when we've had here, you're going to get another whoa that we taught in the beginning, and then you're going to swing your hands here and swing. It's just like you're like, I missed it, yeah? So whoop. So you're going to get here and here. People do different things with their head. Here, don't worry about that too much, yeah? Here, what she does is to the right, like this, here. But if you're gonna do like this, like that, that's fine, yeah? So here and ha, right? So we've done boom, 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 wave, wave, clack, whoa, aha. And then we're going to get another basketball part. Let's do it from the beginning slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, boom, and clap. Wipe your hands, ka, dee-dee-doo, boom, 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 wave, wave, ha, boom, and ha. Yes? So boom, aha, boom, aha. And then you're going to get like if you're dribbling, if you have ever played basketball, you dribble with the ball, but this goes ka, ka. So you're going to get 2 times to the side. Normally it's like this. So if you're going to go like ka, 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 that's fine. But what she does is ka, ka. So it's pass, pass, through. So you have pass and pass, true. Do-do-do. So we're gonna go pass and pass. So you hear like a ka, 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 do-do-do. Yeah, ka, 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 do-do-do. Yeah, so you're gonna go pa, 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 and do-do-do. So you're gonna go true, 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 and da da da. So there's a bit of time there. So you have ka, 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 and do-do-do. So you're going to roll up, and then when you roll up, after that you're gonna go left, right. Yeah? So ta, 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 and do-do-do, boom, boom. So be careful to not go too much to the front, because that's going to mess up your next step. So when you have ta, 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 and ta, da, da, boom. Yeah? So try to go up in the middle, and you're gonna go left, right. And we're almost there. So, so we've done this, ta, 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 and do-do-do, boom, boom. Then we're going to get like a DJ scratch sound. So you have choo-choot, roll, pull, left, clap. And that's it, all right? So we've had that DJ, roll, front, left, clap. Choo-choo, choo-choo, boom, clap. That part is fast, all right? So you have choo-choo, whoop, boom, and clap. So you have scratch, roll, pull, left, clap. All right? So let's repeat this part a couple of times so you get the rhythm of it, yeah? So I'm gonna count it in 5, 6, 7, 8, scratch, roll, pull, and clap. Yeah, a little slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, scratch, roll, pull, and clap. 5, 6, 7, 8, scratch, roll, pull, and clap. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, choo-choo, choo-choo, shoo, boom, clap. All right, so let's do it from the beginning, very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, boom, and choo. Wipe your hands, ka, do-do-do, boom, 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 shoo-choo-choo, shoo-choo-choo, ka. Playing basketball, ka, ka, boom, ka, do-do-do, boom, boom, and choo-choo, choo-choo, shot, boom, clap. All right, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, boom, and clap. Wipe your hands, ka, dee-dee-dee, boom, 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 shoo-choo-choo, shoo-choo-choo, ha. Playing basketball, ka, ka, boom, ka, dee-dee-dee, boom, 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 choo-choo, foot it, sa, boom, clap. All right, so let's practice it with the music. You can do it very slowly and then build it up. In the description, there's a link. You can click it and then you can practice with the music.